to avoid missed payments with autopay and schedules in Geico. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. To avoid missed payments in Geico, what you can do is log into your Geico account and then go to billing, enable autopay. And if it started missing your deadline, what you can do is simply remove what you already have and then again enable autopay. You can also set reminders before due date and choose preferred billing schedule. And make sure you keep payment method updated, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to avoid Geico payment autopay and schedule deadlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.